Alright guys, it's not always about bringing you the greatest UFO sightings, across social media or videos that people share with me, but sometimes maybe just an interesting sighting. So look, I put together a little video compilation here. You guys check it out, tell me what you think, and I will be back at the end. All right, now think about it. If you're an alien, if you're a UFO, right? I mean, I wonder if they know the planet is currently on lockdown. You know what I mean? It's a weird thought I had, right? I mean, think about it. If you're observing the Earth like we think they do, if they're watching over us like, these alien overlords, do they know what's going on? Do they know there's a pandemic? And maybe that's why there's so much activity right now in the night sky, because there's tons of lights out there and UFO sightings, and they're everywhere. I've actually seen more in April than I've seen pretty much in any other month of the entire year, even going back to 2019. So could it be? Could it be that they know something is going on planet Earth? It's a real possibility, because I do believe they watch over us. All right, guys, leave a comment below.